If you've ever started a design in Canva and realized later that you actually need it in landscape orientation instead of portrait, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to switch your Canva project into landscape, quickly and easily, so you can keep creating without starting from scratch. Let's dive right in. First, open the Canva design you want to change. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top menu bar and click on Resize and Magic Switch. Just keep in mind, this is a Canva Pro feature, so you'll need a Pro account to use it. Next, from the pop-up window, choose Custom Size. Here's where the magic happens. Simply swap the numbers for your width and height. For example, if your current project is 1080 pixels wide and 1920 pixels tall, that's portrait, change it to 1920 pixels wide and 1080 pixels tall to make it landscape. Now you'll see two options, copy and resize or just resize. If you select copy and resize, Canva will create a brand new landscape version of your design, keeping the original intact. If you pick resize, it will convert your existing project directly. Once your new canvas is ready, take a moment to adjust your elements. Since the orientation has changed, some text, images, or graphics might need repositioning or resizing to look their best in the new layout. Finally, when you're happy with the result, go ahead and download your fresh landscape design or share it directly from Canva. And that's it. You've successfully changed your design into landscape orientation in just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out my other Canva tutorials to level up your design skills even further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.